pesos. Ito naman yung color red, mga sis. So, kapag bet nyo, for the red. Mindspace 6980 red. Ito naman ang color red sa Sibel. So, yung ating pink, hindi ko lang siya masuot, pero very nice din siya. Kapag bet nyo, Mindspace 6980 pink. Ito naman, sister, yung ating mustard kanina. Mindspace 6980 mustard. And then, last color natin, sisi, is yung color green. For only, sister, 699 na pesos. With pocket food side also, with inner lining, small up to large, all buttons working, 26 hanggang 34 inches waistline only, not super stretch ang kanyang waistline, kaya small up to large lang. Ito sisi yung color red. And then sisi, last color natin, sister, is yung color cream. Okay, small up to large also. Ito naman sisi yung color cream. Kapag bet nyo for the cream, Mindspace 6980 cream.